My name is Dr. Kate Fu, and I'm an associate professor in mechanical engineering, and I study design theory and methodology and computational support for design. That hasn't traditionally been thought of as mechanical engineering, but more and more we're seeing design grow as a vital part of what we teach our students and how we do mechanical engineering. If you think about it the right way, really all engineers do design, and even all researchers within engineering are doing some element of design. The general approach is that we employ methods from cognitive science and psychology to be able to understand how people do design, both in teams and as individuals. And then we use that foundation of understanding to help build new methods, new tools, new computational support for helping designers do their work better. One of the things that I'm working on that I'm really excited about right now is trying to understand the role of cognitive bias in the design process. So we know that these cognitive biases exist from the field of psychology, and they've shown things like ownership bias. For example, we tend to be more biased or assign more value to the things that we own or that we create. You could imagine on a design team, if you're generating ideas with other people, you might push for your ideas to move forward when that might not actually be the best path for the team. So what I'm trying to do is understand how do those biases actually manifest when we're doing design, and what are the steps that we can take to try to mitigate those biases so that we can be better designers. People think of design and creativity often as sort of an innate ability that you're either born with and you already naturally, magically know how to do, or you don't have it. My philosophy on design is that anyone can learn how to be a designer, anyone can learn how to be creative. I'm a perpetual optimist. I have unending energy for work in diversity, equity, inclusion, and justice. And I also think it's important to recognize progress. It's important to continue to strive towards improvement even when we have made progress. I've always wanted to work at the UW ever since I graduated with my PhD. I just love Madison. I have family connections here. We're just really excited to come home, and I feel really at home here in the department and at the school.